everyone, my name is Monica. Today we are going to cook satay sauce. Satay sauce is a type of peanut sauce which is made from ground roasted peanuts and aromatic spices. It is widely used in Malaysian, Indonesian, Singapore and Philippine cuisines. Now satay sauce has become part of global cuisine. Come along with me to see how it is made. First, we need 20 shallots cut roughly. We also need a galangal, which is called blue ginger. We slice it thinly like so. Yep, thin pieces like it. We need 3 stalks of lemongrass, also thinly sliced. All these will go into the blender. 10 cloves of garlic, I just bashed it like that. And 80 grams of ginger, thinly sliced. The last ingredient here is half cup of dried shrimp. So pour all these ingredients into your good old trusty blender. All in. Dried shrimp, and also you have a bit of water to facilitate the blending process. About half a cup will do. So the idea is to blend it until it forms a very fine paste. So in this spice paste, we want the paste to be very fine. So we do not want it to have pieces and chunks lying around. So we want it to be a paste that looks something like this. This is the degree of fineness that we are trying to achieve. So to this blended paste, we add 8 tablespoons of chili paste. This chili paste, I bought it from the supermarket. It comes ready-made. It can be easily found in Asian supermarkets, local supermarkets, or in some specialty shop. Stir this completely until it forms a complete blended paste. Into a hot wok, add 1 cup of oil. Fry the spice paste. So you stir it continuously for about, I would guess, 5 minutes. Initially, there's a little bit of sputtering and spitting because of the water that we have added to the spice. So you just cover it and cook it for 5 minutes over low heat. So after 5 minutes, it looks a little bit drier like so. And then we continue to stir it. At this point, don't need to run away from the kitchen because it has stopped sputtering and spitting. So continue to stir it continuously for about 5 minutes. Yes, something like this. So it will become a bit drier and the oil will separate from the rest of the ingredients. So you can also smell the aroma at this point. It becomes very fragrant. So it's time for us to add the water. So I have used 6 cups of plain water. Pour all in. Other ingredients are 600 grams of crushed peanuts. I've bought this from the supermarket already. It's crushed and is toasted. 150 grams of palm sugar or brown sugar. So we also need coconut milk, 200 milliliters of coconut milk. This is tamarind juice, which I have extracted from 100 grams of tamarind pulp, added to 8 tablespoons of plain water. Initially, you might just want to add 6 tablespoons. Then you taste it, and if it is not sour enough for you, you can add more. Yeah, you can even add more water, give it a good mixing, and then you can extract more tablespoons of tamarind juice. But start off with 6 tablespoons first. This is kicap manis or sweet dark sauce, 1 tablespoon of it. It gives it a mellow and deep color to your satay sauce. And of course, it adds sweetness, additional sweetness to your sauce. 2 tablespoons of salt. Give it a good stir, mix all the ingredients completely. And at this point, you want to cover it to cook it for another 5 minutes over low heat. So after 5 minutes, you can see it's almost ready already. The peanut has become softer, so you need to stir it continuously for the final 5 minutes of cooking. Basically, you're trying to evaporate some of the water so that we can get a thicker sauce, and so that it's easier for your to be toppings for other ingredients. So after 5 minutes of stirring, there you go, our satay sauce is ready. The chili oil has separated from the rest of the ingredients. So this satay sauce is a perfect accompaniment to skewered meat satay. Aside from this, it can be cooked with meat, drizzled over salads, or can be used as a dip. It is salty, sweet, nutty, and spicy flavor. Enjoy!